My name is Syed Faisal. I'm the director of SA Constructions. We are basically builders and developers who handle projects for many prestigious clients in Bangalore as well as Chennai. We also deal with interior projects, and we had an excellent opportunity to work with Mr. KL Rahul, the famous Indian cricketer, for his interior project. I would like to say Mr. Akash Bindal, he helped me with the right kind of a teak for his project, and he delivered the teak wood on time, and it was a successful completion of the project. I'm really thankful to him. I personally met Akash Bindal in Bangalore, and we are in touch almost some 3 years. So I can assure everyone that he has a variety of good teak wood such as teak wood, Burma teak, Ghana teak, African teak, and various plenty of material. And we have already purchased so much of material from him for many projects. And Akash, this is the best time experience for us, and we had a good experience with your company. And I wish you the luck for the future. Thank you.